Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Foundation Tier Paper 1 from 2018, and this is question 20, and this is a question about indices. So we can see what we've got is we've got a fraction where we've got 3 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2, and then all divided, because it's on the bottom of the fraction, by 3 to the power 3. So the method we're going to do is we're going to work out the top line of the fraction first, and then we're going to divide it by the bottom line of the fraction. So I'm going to look at the 3 to the power 7 times by 3 to the minus 2 that's on the top line. So the method that we're going to use for this is when we've got the same base, which means the number 3 in this case, so we've got the same base, then we can actually add the powers. So what we end up with is we end up with still having the 3, but then we have the 7 plus the minus 2. So the sign's very important in this case. So we've got to add the powers, but the second one is actually a negative power. So if we have a plus and a minus next to each other, then it becomes minus, and we end up with 7 minus the 2. So that gives us 3 to the power 5. So that means the top line of this becomes 3 to the power 5. So we end up with having 3 to the power 5 over 3 to the power 3. Now what this means is actually 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3. So if we look at that, 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3. And when we do this one, again, if we've got the same base as before, which we did have a 3 for both, this time when we're dividing, we subtract the powers. So that means that the power on this becomes 3 to the power 5 minus 3, which means we end up with 3 to the power 2. And then because we actually want the value of that, we need to work that out. And that means 3 squared, which just means 3 times 3, which is 9. And we've finished that question. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thanks for watching.